I don't know if you can see this, but the waves are coming in pretty good right now. This is the ocean. You got some really big waves coming in. As you can hear the fierce ocean right now. It's a beautiful ocean, but it's not very happy right now. Look at these. Just hear the sounds of nature. Try to go a bit closer. I don't want to get swept in the ocean though. It's beautiful, eh? Beautiful ocean. The winds are pretty high. The waves are pretty high. Just wanted to share that with you. God bless everyone. Stay safe. See you in a bit.